Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Samsung A10. This operation can be helpful if you doesn't remember the password to your phone or that software doesn't work properly. So first of all, we have to turn off our phone by pressing volume down now. By pressing power button. Yeah, turn off our phone. Then you have to prepare the USB micro USB cable. Plug it in into your computer. Then you have a plug it in into your phone. Okay, and now press and hold volume up and power button together. Keep holding both the key. Now press one more time, volume up and power button together. Okay, now release power button, still holding volume up when the logo will show up. Then release all the key. Now volume down to navigate to wipe data factory reset accept by power. One more time go down, power to accept. Now phone is resetting. Now power to reboot system now, and voila, your phone has been hard reset. So the password will be delayed. Of course, all data will be delayed. And the phone has got a new firmware, so if you have some problem with this firmware, it will be done. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave a like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!